Hey there, Chad Littlefield here, and Will and I are really excited to be sharing a little bit more about our connection toolkit. This is something we're really proud of. It's a box, and in this box, comes with 100 plus group exercises, really great for groups. And there are literally infinite ways that you can use this toolkit. My intention in the next few seconds is to give you an overview of what's all in it. So these 4 items, physical items, come in it, along with a subscription to an online database with 350 different tutorials and group exercises to promote collaborative learning, engagement, build more creative teams, etc. So really quick, on top of that, the items that come in it are We Connect cards. This is one of our favorite and definitely most popular tools. There's a question on, there's 60 cards in the deck, and there's a question on one side of the card and an action on the back. The questions are color-coded, which creates a lot of choice in the types of conversations people have. And so green questions tend to be fun and light, blue questions tend to be a little bit deeper, and purple questions encourage some level of self-reflection, which we really carved out actually, especially for the introverts in the world, because often doing exercises like this, it's very extrovert friendly. And so we wanted to carve out space to think and just for some silence so that introverts could really process what all was going on. That's We Connect cards. Then moving over to We Engage cards, one of the most versatile tools. There are so many ways to use this. You can apply it to almost any and every context. It's a great way, if this is a great way to create connection before content, this is a great way to connect to content and for people to connect with each other and engage. There's a quote on one side. All the quotes come from a really diverse range of people, diverse in every way. And we did that intentionally. We didn't want a bunch of quotes with a bunch of dead white guys. And so there are a whole range of really great ideas in here that represent a broad spectrum of thinking perspectives to really promote that diverse perspective in your groups. On the other side is a really evocative or thought-provoking photo. And so these serve to create really great metaphors with whatever your content is. And so the easiest way to use them, and there are the deck comes with a bunch of video tutorials and actually written directions on how to use them. But one of the most versatile ways is to lay the images out and invite people to choose an image that represents their own, whatever you want to. So that represents trust, that represents your mission statement, that represents a time when they felt like your mission statement came alive, etc. So those are We Engage cards, one of our favorite and absolutely most versatile tools. Mistakes are the portals to discovery. This is lovely, this video, okay. Pocket Guide to Facilitating Human Connections. This is a book that we created specifically to be a Facilitator 101. Really great for emerging leaders or from beginning facilitators to experienced facilitators. The first third is some key concepts in how do you create groups that are filled with choice and stretch people outside of their comfort zone, but not too far, and so forth. Intentionally pocket-sized. So that's the first third. The back third is actually a bunch of exercises, group exercises with intentionally short descriptions meant for you to ruthlessly misinterpret and apply to your own context. So there's 20 plus exercises in here, along with links to more ideas as well. Some that you can just download and print for free, some that are good to go with no props whatsoever. Pocket Guide to Facilitating Connections. Then this is one of the things we're most proud of and excited about is Ask Powerful Questions. This is a how-to guide to building relationships of trust. And so it unpacks what we call the Ask Powerful Questions pyramid, which allows you to build a culture of people where this rings true, this ladder rings true, where people are willing to know you, they see you, they hear you, they get you, they're with you. When you build a culture of connection like this, outcomes, performance, retention, engagement, all increase. And so this is really the how-to guide to making it happen. There's research embedded throughout, questions, other ideas, and ways to implement it. Really practical, but also a really engaging read. Ask powerful questions, create conversations that matter. Hope that you absolutely love the Connection Toolkit. If you've got any questions on how to use it, just reach out to me and Will. We've created this stuff because we want to make a dent in the universe, and we believe the world more than ever needs more meaningful connection, and we hope that this helps you create it in your own context. Have an awesome day.